Hey y'all, it's Renee with Pizazz Moves, doing some Form Fanatic. I am gonna do backward lunges, okay? And so remember that when you're doing a backward lunge, the work is when you're coming back on the way up. So side view like this, okay? Always remember you're gonna sit back, your foot is gonna go back, your whole leg goes right here, line up that knee, and you're gonna come straight down, and then you're gonna come back up, okay? You can switch legs like that, or you can stay on the same leg for a little bit if you want. Make sure you're not going over like this, right? You always want to go back. Body nice and tall. The work is from this spot up. And it's the leg that's in the front. Okay, this leg that's going back is doing work a little bit, of course. But that's not the main one. The main one is here, working in the back of the body, right? Okay, so back of the body. Always keep your head aligned. I'm just looking at you, but always keep it aligned. Now you can stay down there and continue to do some. It's gonna work a little more your upper, your quads also, the front as well as the back, or you can stay like this. Go back, come back up, go back, come back up. So they all work the back of the legs, right back there. Form Fanatic signing out. Make it a great day. Add some pizzazz. Bye.